In this video, I am going to show you how to enable one hand mode on Realme phones running on Realme UI. For people with small hands, it is difficult to reach the entire area with one hand usage. For them, Realme has a feature called as one-handed mode. What it does is it minimizes the app. You can reach the entire area. To enable one-handed mode, what you can do is go to settings and go to additional settings. Under additional settings, you have this option one-handed mode and enable this option. After enabling one-handed mode, open any app of your choice. After enabling one-hand mode, what you can do is you can simply swipe down like this and you can use the one-hand mode like this. You can see that you can reach entire area. If you want to exit the one-handed mode, you can simply tap on the empty area. It will exit the one-handed mode. Not only Chrome, you can use any app. Here I have opened YouTube. To enter the one-handed mode, simply swipe down like this. Here you can see that you can use the one-handed mode. So that's it guys. In this way you can use one-handed mode on Realme phones running on Realme UI. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.